Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Labor channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the still image aspect ratio on your iPhone 12 or 13 Pro. Now what you need to do first is open the camera app, and from here you need to tap on this little arrow here at the top, and then you will see these options, and you should see this 4:3 which is the default, and if you tap here you'll see all the other options, and if you tap on square you can see that the camera cutout just became square, and if you tap here again you will have the option of 16:9, 4:3 which is the default, and if we go to 16:9 you can see that it is wider now, and if we take a photo of an object you can see that it is much wider. And if we go back to the square image and take a photo, you can see that it is taking square photos, which you can use on your Instagram or for your e-commerce website. And that is how you change the aspect ratio on your iPhone 12 or 13 Pro. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.